In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a link to your site menu in Google Sites. If you've been working with Google Sites and are looking to enhance your navigation by including an external link directly in your menu, you're in the right place. It's a straightforward process and I'll walk you through it step by step. So let's dive right in and explore how this is done. First things first, you want to make sure you're on the Google Sites editing interface. So open up the Google site you want to modify. Once there, you'll want to look for the option labeled Pages. You will typically find this in the right-hand menu, and it's your gateway to controlling the layout and content of your site's navigation. Clicking Pages will show you a list of all the existing pages and navigation items you currently have on your site. This is where you'll manage your new link. Now that you can see your list of pages, take your cursor over to the small plus icon at the bottom of this section. You want to hover over this icon, and doing so will reveal additional options. It's like a hidden menu that pops up on demand, giving you several choices to modify your site. Among these you'll see New Link. Clicking on New Link is how we begin to add an external link to your site's menu. With the New Link option selected, you'll encounter a simple form. Here, you'll need to name your link. What you type here is how the link will be labeled in the navigation menu. Try to keep it concise and descriptive so users know exactly what to expect when they click it. This is the text that will be visible to anyone visiting your site, so make sure it's informative yet succinct. Once you have the name sorted out, it's time to input the actual URL. This will be the destination users reach when they click your added menu item. Let's say you want to link to an external website such as google.com. You would type or paste the URL directly into the space provided. Be sure that the web address is correct and fully functional, as errors here could lead to a 404 or an unintended page. Once the URL is in place, make sure to double check it for accuracy. And there you have it, you've successfully added a new navigation link to your Google site. Remember, this addition can provide a useful way to guide visitors toward resources or additional content relevant to your site. As you explore this feature, consider how external links can enhance the usability and breadth of information available via your site. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial. Enjoy customizing your Google site, and I'll see you in the next video.